Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom rings maps in Rocket League on Steam. Custom maps provide an excellent way to enhance your aerial skills and car control, offering unique challenges not found in standard arenas. The rings map, in particular, is a fantastic training ground for precise aerial maneuvers, helping you navigate tight spaces and maintain consistent flight paths. This step-by-step guide will get you flying through rings in no time. To begin, you will need to install BaxMod, a popular and free third-party tool for Rocket League. Head over to the official BaxMod website to download the latest version. It is crucial to ensure your Rocket League game is completely closed before starting the installation process. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This essential tool unlocks custom map functionality. With BaxMod installed, launch it and then open Rocket League. Inside BaxMod, locate the Plugins tab and search for the Custom Map Loader plugin. Install this plugin to enable custom map functionality. Next, you will need to download the Rings map itself. Visit a reputable Rocket League custom map website, find the Rings map, and download its file, which is usually a UDC or UPC extension. Now move the downloaded Rings map file into the designated BaxMod Custom Maps folder. This folder is usually found within your BaxMod data directory. Once the file is in place, open Rocket League and access the BaxMod menu, typically by pressing F2. Navigate to the Custom Maps section. You should see the Rings map listed there. Select it and click Load Map to begin your aerial training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.